Hello students, welcome to the Nitya classes. In this video, we are going to solve the practice question set 3 for fundamental operations on whole numbers. Okay, the first question is, a man's monthly salary is rupees 35,000. He spent rupees 2,500 on clothes, 2,000 on food, 1,500 and house rent and rupees 3,000 on education monthly. His monthly saving is, okay, so see here, a man's monthly salary is 35,000. So total monthly salary is 35,000 rupees, okay, and his expenditure, okay, spent money is 2,500 plus 2,000 for food and 1,500 for house rent and rupees 3,000 for education monthly. Okay, so you have to add the all expenditures. So 0 0 10 4 5 6 7 8 9. Okay, so 9,000 is the expenditure, total expenditure. So a man's monthly salary is 35,000, total money is 35,000. Okay, so when we subtract 9,000 from this, okay, so what we get, that is 26,000. So this is the his monthly saving amount, 26,000. So option number B is the answer. Okay, so the next question. If 402 star divisible by 3, then number at star is. Okay, the question is, if what number must be added to this star so that the whole number is divisible by 3? We already know that divisibility rule of 3 is sum of the digits divisible by 3, then the whole number is also divisible by 3. Yes, na? So we have to add these digits 4 plus 0 plus 2, and this is star. In this star, what number must be added to here so that the whole number is divisible by 3? So 4 plus 2 is 6. Okay, in 6 what number must be added to here? So the whole number is also divisible by 3. So check out the option 4. Okay, if we add 4 to this, okay, 6 plus 4 is 10. So 10 is not divisible by 3. So option number A is not our answer. If we add 6 plus 5, so that is 11. So 11 is also not divisible by 3. And option number C, check, 6 plus 6 is 12. Yes, 12 is divisible by 3. 3 4s are 12. So our option will be C. Okay, so it means when we add 4 plus 0 plus 2 plus 6, so that is 6 plus 6 is 12. So 12 is divisible by 3. Then the whole number is also divisible by 3. Okay, so the next question. If the number 5 4 star 8 9 is exactly divisible by 3, then the number which comes at the place of star is. Here again, what number must be added to here star? Okay, so that the number is divisible by 3. So again, we know that the rule of divisibility 3, we have to add the digits one by one. 5 plus 4 plus, this is star. So in star, what number must be added to so that the number is divisible by 3? Okay, 5 plus 4 plus 8 plus 9 is 26. Okay, in 26, what number we have to add so that the number is divisible by 3? Okay, check option number A. If we add 4 to this number, 24 plus 4, so that is 30. So 30 is divisible by 3 or not? Yes, 3 tens are 30. So our answer will be option number A. Okay, so 30 is divisible by 3. And the next question. Fourth one, if 4 3 star 42 is divisible by 9, then the number at star is. Okay, what number must be added to this star so that the whole number is divisible by 9? Okay, 9's divisibility rule is The sum of the digits divisible by 9. Then the whole number is also divisible by 9. So 4 plus 3 plus that is star plus 4 plus 2. So we have to, what number must be added to here? Okay, so that the number is divisible by 9. So 4 plus 4 is 8, 13. Okay, when we add this number, we get 13. Okay, in 13, what number must be added to so that the number is divisible by 9? So check the options. If we add 13 plus 6, what we get? Option number A. If we add 13 plus 6, we get 19. So 19 is not divisible 9 because 9 stable, 19 is not comes. If we add 13 plus 5, so 13 plus 5 is 18. So 18, 9 2s are 18. So this is divisible by 9. Okay, so when we add in star place 5, okay, here if you add 5, so the sum will be that is 18. So 18 is divisible by 9. So the option is our B. Okay. So the next question. Fifth one, which one of the following number is exactly divisible by 11? Okay. 11's divisibility rule is if we have to add the odd place value and the even place value, then we have to find the difference between the odd place value and the even place value. If the result is 0 or 11's multiples, then that number will be the divisible by 11. So check 1662. So odd place value and even place value. Odd place value are 1 plus 6 and even place values are 6 plus 2. So 6 plus 1 is 7, 6 plus 2 is 8. So the difference between this is 1. So 1 is not divisible by 11. So option number A is not our answer. Okay, similarly check option number B. That is 1551. So again 1551. See, odd place value, even place value. 1 plus 5, that is 6. And 5 plus 1, that is also 6. So 6 minus 6 is 0. So when the odd place value and even place value, we get 0. Okay, 0 or the multiple of 7. Then the number is divisible by 11. So now we get the first case, no, that is 0. So this is divisible by 11. So option number B is the answer. Okay, next one. Which of the following number is divisible by 4? Which of the following number is divisible by 4? So 4's divisibility rule is we have to check out the last two digits. Yes, na? You have to check out the last two digits. If the last two digits are divisible by 4, then the whole number is also divisible by 4. So see here 90. 90 is divisible by 4. Check. Okay, 4 2s are 8, 1 remainder. See, 10 not comes in first table. So this is not divisible by 4. See next one, 96. So 4 2s are 8, 1 remainder, 6 bring down. 4 4s are 16. Yes, so 96 is divisible by 4. Though then the whole number is also divisible by 4. Okay, so the option number B is our answer. And 83 is also not divisible by 4. 69 is also not divisible by 4. Okay. Next question. Which of the following number is not divisible by 6? Okay, not divisible by 6. Not divisible by 6. So 6's divisibility rule is if 2 and 3's divisibility rule I apply here, then the number is also divisible by 6. Okay, so first we have to check out the numbers first option we have to check. Okay, so that is 63234. So here the last unit digit is 2. So here 2's divisibility rule is apply. Okay, and 3's divisibility rule is we have to add these numbers. Okay, digits 6 plus 3 plus 2 plus 3 plus 4. So that is when we add these digits we get 18. Yes, 18 is also divisible by 3. So here 2 and 3 both rules are apply here. So this whole number will be divisible by 6. Okay. And here and the next one is 2. See, here is also even number. It means here also 2's divisibility rule is applied. And we have to check out the 3's divisibility rule. How we check? We have to add the digits one by one. So 2 plus 5 plus 3 plus 2 plus 6 is also 18. So here also 2 and 3's are applicable. Okay. It means this whole number will be divisible by 6. Here we have to find out the which is not divisible. Okay. A option number A and option number B are divisible by 6. Okay. Next check out the divisibility rule of 3. 2. Okay, here even number, it means this is divisible by 2. Okay, if the last unit digit is even, then that number will be divisible by 2. Okay, 2's divisibility rule is apply here. So the 3's divisibility rule, how we check? We have to add these numbers 6 plus 8 plus 0 plus 5 plus 6. So when we add this, we get 25. Okay, so here 2's rule is applied, but 3 is not, because 25 not comes in 3's table. Then this whole number will be not divisible by 6. So our answer will be option number C. This is our answer, because which is not divisible by 6 we have to find here. So option number C is the answer. Okay. If you can check D option also, that even number, and when we add these numbers we get 21. So 21 also divisible by 3. So our answer will be C. Okay. Eighth one, a number 654322 star is divisible by 5. What is the largest possible value of star? Okay. In star, what number must be added to so that the number is divisible by 5? And what is the largest possible value? Okay. So the 5's divisibility rule, we know that. If the last unit digit is 0 or 5, if the last unit digit is 0 or 5, then the whole number is divisible by 5. So here the 0 and 5. Check the options. Here 0 is there and option number B 5 is there. Okay. So here we have to find the largest possible value. So the largest possible value is, here 5 is greater than 0. So our greatest number is 5. So option number B is the answer. If we add in star place 5, the number is exactly divisible by 5. Okay, the next question. Which of the following number is not divisible by 8? Not divisible by 8. Yes, divisibility rule is, if the last 3 digits are divisible by 8, then the whole number is also divisible by 8. And the second point is, if the last the 3 digits are 0, then that number also divisible by 8. Okay. So option number A is also divisible by 8, because the last 3 digits are 0. Okay. And next one, check 632. Okay, 632 is divisible by 8 or not? So 8 sevens are 56. Remainder is 7 and bring down 2. So 8 nines are 72. So this is also divisible. Okay. This is not our answer, this board, because these are the divisible by 8. Here we have to find the not divisible. Okay, check 840 divided by 8. So 8 ones are 8, 0 and bring down 4. 4 is smaller than 8. So we have to take a 0 here and bring down 0, and 8 5s are 40. So remainder is 0. It means 840 is also divisible by 8. So this is not our answer. Okay, next one, check 650. Is 650 divisible by 8 or not? So 8, 8s are 64, remainder 1 and 0. Okay. In 8's table, 10 not comes. It means this is not exactly divisible by 8. So our answer will be option number D. Okay, this is not divisible by 8. If the last three digits are not divisible by 8, then the whole number is also not divisible by 8. Okay, next question. Which of the following number is divisible by 2? It is easiest question, no? Which of the following number is divisible by 2? It means if the last unit digit is even or 2, 4, 6, 8, 0. Any number of these in the unit digit, then the number is divisible by 2. Okay, check. This is the 9. So 9 is odd number. So this is not the divisible by 2. And C, option number B, that is unit digit is 6. Okay, so this is our answer. And 3 and 5 are also odd numbers. So that is not divisible by 2. So option number B is the answer. Next one. Which of the following number is divisible by 3? Okay. So we already know the divisibility rule 3. If the sum of the digits divisible by 3, then the whole number is also divisible by 3. So check option 6 plus 8 plus 7. When we add, we get 21. Okay, so 21 is divisible by 3. So our answer will be option number A. If you want, you can check also option number B. 4 plus 3 is, that is 7. When we add, we get 7. And 7 plus 1 plus 2, that is 10. So 7 is not divisible by 3 and 10 also not divisible by 3. And 5 plus 5 plus 1, so that is 11. So 11 is also not divisible by 3. So our answer will be option number A, 687. Next question. The number 538405 is divisible by. Okay. This number divisible by. We have to check out. Okay. So see here. If you go with the option, okay, the 3. 3's divisibility rule is if we have to add these digits. If the sum of these digits divisible by 3, then the whole number is also divisible by 3, no? So when we add, we get 23. So 23 is not divisible by 3. Okay, so option number A is not our answer. If 9, okay, 9's divisibility rule is same, no? So if the sum of the digits divisible by 9, so 23 is also not divisible by 9. Okay, and 8. 8's divisibility rule is if the last three digits are divisible by 405. Okay, 8 5s are 40 and remainder is 5. So this is also not divisible by 8. So this is also not our answer. And the option number D, 5. So 5's divisibility rule is if the last unit digit is 5, then the whole number is also divisible by 5. Okay. So option number D is the answer. This is the one method. If you go with the options, you can check like this. If you directly know the 5's divisibility rule, you don't needed to check out the all options, because here the last unit digit is 5, you know. So you can directly take the answer, that is option number D, 5, because the last unit digit is 5 or 0, then the number is divisible by 5. Okay. So the next question. 13. Which of the following number is divisible by 9? Which of the following number is divisible by 9? So we have to check, check out the options. We have to add these numbers. 5 plus 3 plus 8 plus 7 plus 0. When we add, we get 23. And 23 is not divisible by 9. Okay. The next one is 8 plus 3 plus 7 plus 0 plus 5. Okay. When we add, we get 23 again. So 23 is also not divisible by 9. The next 3 plus 7 plus 1 plus 5 plus 2. So what comes? 18. Yes, 18 is divisible by 9. 9 2s are 18. So our answer will be option number C. So when we add these numbers, we get 13. So 13 is also not divisible by 9. Okay, so option number C is our answer. 14. When a number is multiplied by 0, then number is. When a number is multiplied by 0, the number is 0. We already know na, when we multiply by any number with 0, we get 0 like this. So option number D is the answer. Next question. What must be added to 75657 to make it exactly divisible by 11? So there are two methods to find this one. So the first one is, we have to divide this number 7, 5, 6, 5, 7 divided by 11. So 11 sevens are 77. So that is the highest number, no? So you have to take a 11, 6 are 66. So 77 minus 66 is 9. So bring down 6. So 11 8s are 88. So 96 minus 88 is 8, and bring down 5, and 11 sevens are 77. 85 minus 77 is 8, and bring down the 7 again. So 11 sevens are 77. So the remainder will be 10. Okay. So remainder will be 10. So the question is, what must be added to this number so that the number is exactly divisible by 11? Okay. So 11 minus 10, that is 1. So answer will be option number A, 1. When we add one number to this number will be divisible by exactly 11. Okay, this is the one method. Okay, when we get the remainder, then you have to divisor minus remainder. Divisor minus remainder, and what you get the answer, no, that is our answer. Okay, and the second one method is, you know the 11's divisibility rule. Okay, that is, you have to add the odd place value and even place value. So see odd place value and even place value. So first add odd place values. 7 plus 6 plus 5 is equal to, that is 20. And 5 plus 5 is 10. So you have to subtract it. So you get 10. So what number must be added to this 10? So the number is divisible by 11. So when we add 1 to this, that becomes 11, no? So 11 is divisible by 11. 11 ones are 11. So that is the 1. So option number A is the answer. Okay. You can follow whichever you want. Okay. There are two methods to find this answer. Next one. On dividing a number by 53, the quotient is 8 and the remainder is 5. The number is. Okay, see the question on dividing a number by 53. It means they are given the divisor like 53 divisor and the quotient is 8 and the remainder is 5. So we have to find the dividend. Okay, we have to find the dividend. So dividend equal to divisor into quotient plus remainder. So here divisor is 53 into quotient is 8 plus remainder. Okay, so we have to put the values in the formula. So 53 into 8. 53 into 8 is 424. So plus 5. So we have to add 424 plus 5 is 429. So 429 is our answer. That is dividend. So option number B is the answer. Next question. The number 2418 should be divided by which number so that the quotient is 6. Okay. So the number 2418. So that is the dividend. Okay. They are given the dividend should be divided by which number so that the quotient is 6. Quotient they are given dividend and quotient. So here 2418 they are given the dividend and the quotient. So we have to find the this one. It means divisor. So divisor equal to dividend divided by quotient. So dividend is 2418 divided by 6. So 6 ones are 6 fours are 24. 1 is smaller than 6. So we have to take a 0 and 6 threes are 18. So 4 not 3 is our answer. So that is a divisor. This is a divisor. Okay, so option number A is the answer. On dividing 88,088 by 11, the quotient obtained is, okay, they are given the divisor and the dividend. So you have to find the quotient. So how we find? Okay, so you have to just divide it. So 11 8s are 88. 0, 0. Bring down 0 down. And 0 is smaller than 11. So that we have to put the 0 here. Again, we have to take the 8. And 8 is also smaller than 11. So again, we have to take the 0 here and bring down 8 down. So 11 8s are 88. So the quotient will be 8008. So option number C is the answer. Next one. What is the remainder when 153 into 688 is divided by 5? Okay, here also there are two methods to find this. Okay, the first method is you have to multiply this 153 into 688. 153 into 688 when you multiply we get 1,05,264. So we have to divide it by the 5. So 5 twos are 10, remainder 0 0 and bring down 5 down. Okay, so 5 ones are 5 0. Okay, bring down 2 down. Okay, 2 here, and 2 is the smaller than 5. So that you have to, 2 is smaller than 5. So put the 0 here and take 6 down. So 5 5s are 25. So 26 minus 25 is 1, 4. So 5 2s are 10. So remainder is 4. So this is our answer 4. The option number B is the answer, option number 4. Okay, this is the one method. Another one method is you have to divide it by the 5. 5 threes are 15. So remainder is 3 here. Okay, second you have to divide it by the 5 and 5 ones are 5 and 1 8. 5 threes are 15. Remainder is 3 and bring down 8. So 5 sevens are 35. So remainder is 3. So you have to multiply this remainder and this remainder. 3 into 3, that is 9. Okay, this remainder is 3, this remainder is 3. 3 into 3 is 9. Again you have to divide it by the 5. So 5 ones are 5. 9 minus 5 is 4. So see, remainder is 4. Okay, so option number B is the answer. There are two methods to find this one. This is the second method. Whatever you want, you can follow. Okay. The next question is, what must be added to 2245 so that the quotient is 450 on dividing by 5? So what we have to do is, what must be added to this number? 2245. This is the dividend. Okay, the given dividend. Quotient is 450 and dividing by 5. Okay, we have to find out the new dividend. 450 into 5. 450 into 5, what comes? 2250. This is the new dividend. So here the question is, what must be added to 2245 so that the quotient is 450 on dividing by 5. So just we have to do is 2250 minus 2245. We have to just subtract it. So what comes? 5. Yes, na? So 2250 minus 2245, we get the 5. So option number B is the answer. When we add 5 to this number, the quotient will be 450 and divisor will be 5. Okay, next question. Twenty-one. If divisor equal to 132, quotient is 29, remainder is 12, find the dividend. Okay, here we have to find the dividend. They are given divisor 132 and the quotient is 29 and the remainder is 12. So what is the dividend? So dividend equal to divisor into quotient plus remainder. So divisor is 132 and quotient is 29 plus remainder. So 132 into 29 is 3828 plus 12. You have to add these. So what comes? 3840. So option number B is the answer. Next one. 22. If a number is divisible by 8 and 3 both, then by which other numbers will it always be divisible? Okay. If a number is divisible by 8 and 3 both, so we know that if a number is divisible by 8 and 3 both, then it must be divisible by 8 into 3, 24. So answer is factors of 24. Okay. When 8 number is divisible by 8 and 3, then the 24 is also the number. It will be divisible by 8 and 3. It means factors of 24 are divisible by 8 and 3. Okay, so option number C is the answer. Next one. 23. The product of a non-zero whole number and its successor is always. Okay, the product of a non-zero whole number and its number is always. First of all, you already know the whole numbers. Whole numbers equal to 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, so on. Okay, these are the set of whole numbers. Here, non-zero whole numbers. Non-zero whole number set is non-zero whole numbers. Non-zero whole numbers are 1, 2, 3, 4, and so on. Okay, except 1. Except 1, all other numbers are the non-zero whole numbers. So the question is the product of a non-zero whole number and its successor is. So you can take a non-zero whole number, that is 2. Okay, if you take a 2 and this successor means the immediate next number. So 2's next number is 3. So 2 3's are 6. See here, when we non-zero whole number and the successor, okay, when we multiply this, we get the even number. So option is D, an even number. It means when the product of a non-zero whole number and a successor is always be an even number, you can take another one number also. If you take a 5, okay, this is also whole number, and this next number, it means successor is 6. So when we multiply this, 6 5 is 30. So see, again, this is the even number. It means when we multiply the non-zero whole number and its successor will be always an even number. Okay. And here 2 is the non-zero whole number and 3 is successor. And here 5 is non-zero whole number and 6 is the successor. Okay, you can take any number, then you get the answer even number. Okay, next one. 24. Which of the following two digits number when added to 27 get reversed? Okay, 27 get reversed. It means 72. It is a reversed number. Okay, reversed number, that is. Okay, the original number is 27. So what we have to find is which of the following two digits number when added to 27 gets reversed. When we subtract 72 minus 27, we get 45. So when we add, see 27 plus 45, when we add, we get 72. It means when we add 45 to 27, we get 72. It means the reversed number. So option number C. 45 is the answer. Next one, the last question. 25. On dividing 18,270 by a certain number, the quotient is 186 and the remainder is 42. Find the divisor. Here we have to find the divisor. So divisor equal to dividend minus remainder divided by quotient. So they are given the dividend. So dividend is 18,270 minus remainder. Remainder is here 42. And the quotient 186. So first of all, you have to 18,270 minus 42 is 18,228 and 186. So you have to divide it. Okay. So 2 9s are 18, 2 3s are 6. 2 9s are 18, 2 1s are 2, 2 1s are 2, and 2 4s are 8. And 3 3s are 9, 3 1s are 3, 3 3s are 9, 3 3s are 9. So 2 remaining 24, 3 8s are 24. So 338, sorry, 3 3s are 9, that is a 1 remainder, no? 1 is smaller than 3. So you have to take a 0 here. 3 3s are 9 and here 1 is smaller than 3. So you have to take a 0 here. So 3038 divided by 31. So 3038 divided by 31. So you have to divide it by 31 divided by 3038. So 31, check 31, 8 ones are 8. So 248 is smaller than 300 and check 9. 9 ones are 9, 27. Okay, so we can take a 31 9s are 279. 303 minus 279 is 24 and remainder is 8 and 31. See, 31 8s are 248. So 31 8s are 248. So 31 ones are 31, 98s are 3038. So answer will be 38. So divisor is 38. Option number C, 98 is the answer. Okay.